Sometimes when you are trying to extend a drive memory, the button extend can be grayed out, like this button. And no matter how much you watch the tutorials on YouTube, none is offering the solution. And in this video, I'm going to show you an easy solution on how to go about that. The idea is getting this disk color from green to black. So let us say that you want to extend this drive C, and you have tried all the solutions on YouTube, such as opening CMD, deleting the recovery partition, and tried again, but still the button is grayed out. In such cases, you are supposed to utilize a third-party application, such as this one that I'm going to show you. It's called Minitool Partition Wizard. It's a software, a PC software. The free version will just work fine. And by the way, the download link is in the video description. Okay, you are supposed to go to this website and download it. I'll link it, and then you're going to open the software. Here's the software now. And let's say you want to extend this drive C. This is a drive C that you want to extend from the new volume that you have created. And most of the time, this unallocated, or even this drive that has you are trying to link, or even this drive that you are trying to merge with the drive C, usually has a green color. That means it is new, or even it has a free space. Okay, you can see that it has free space, and the idea is to make sure that it is unallocated, so that drive C can pick it up and then it can merge it. So I'm going to show you how to convert free space to unallocated. So basically, go to that application called Minitool Partition Wizard. I am using version 12.9, and then highlight the drive that you want to merge with the new volume, or even the free volume. After highlighting it, we are supposed to extend partition. Okay, extend partition. You get such a prompt. For me, I have already allocated the storage and the process is complete, but for you it will be different. It will prompt you to restart the computer. You're supposed to just close all the apps and then restart the computer. Click that button, restart the computer, and the process will start. And when now the PC restarts, it may bring you a black screen with some words on it. Wait until it is done, and then afterwards, when you open this disk management, this unallocated, or even this free space, is supposed to be black, this color. The idea is getting this disk color from green to black. And after that, you can now click the System C, and then you can extend the volume. You need to click next, finish, and then you see I have now 177 GB. It has been merged with the free space. All right, that's how you do it. But the challenge that we'll have when you are using this tool, this system tool, it won't be possible merging the two drives using this default disk management, or even any other method. You need to have a third-party tool. I hope this helps you. Be productive, and see you on the next one.